Hello, this is Carla Moore from MooreTalkJa or getfitbitch.tumblr.com, and I am coming to you somewhat live from the noisiest place on earth, aka my back veranda. Now, I have tried to arrange the speakers so that they will only pick up the noise I am making and not the noise back on me or around me. But if I fail, I apologize. I will try to pitch my voice to carry over the noise. So, why am I making this video? It's not like a funny video. It's not a yeah thing or anything like that. For those people who watch my fitness updates, you will probably be more familiar with what I'm talking about. So I am about to embark on, I guess, what is a rather intense fitness journey. Most importantly, I hope it is a fitness journey that actually sticks, because I have started many of them. I will save you the little slideshow with the pictures of my weight going up and down, although if you are somebody who knows me on Facebook, then you have witnessed when like 3 chins appear and then all of a sudden like jawbone appear and all of these types of things. I've been really going up and down with this for some years. I just stumbled across my bicycle, elliptical, one of them, the thing that you kind of run, whatever, those things, and I bought that when I was like just at UA or out of UA. So we're talking about from 2004, 2005 that I have been on this thing of trying to become fit, and let me tell you, it has been the most epic of fails. So I try, I fail, I try again. That's the beauty of me, but I'm tired of failing and trying again. So I've done a couple of different things in the months since I started vlogging. I've done Shanti, I've done hip hop abs, I've done some Jillian Michaels. Anybody who has been watching me knows that I have a problem with consistency, because I memorize things very easily and I get bored, and the second that I get bored, I cannot actually get myself to start doing anything again. So what we learned from that, because we're about learning, is that I need a mix of things. I cannot stick to just one workout regime, although it would sound nice to be like, oh, I just blew through insanity, and insanity is awesome. I mean, I love it, and if you can do it all the way through, your body will just turn right up. But I can't, because I know the workouts and I remember them, and so what I need is a mix. So I did a insanity hip hop abs hybrid, which was nice. So I'm thinking maybe what I need to do is just get like another Beachbody product. Oh, I'm affiliated with a Beachbody account, so what is this here? So if you need Beachbody products to buy, you can link me, and we can work that out. Yeah, so this is what I'm about to do. If you're in the More Fitness group, the link to that is down here. You will know I'm about to do a 3-day fruit and vegetable cleanse. That is where you eat only fruits, vegetables, fruit juices, water, and I'm having some nuts and some seeds for 3 days. The 3 days this week. The end game is that I would like to get to a point where I can do a 21-day fruit and vegetable fast, and at that point I don't think it's really considered fasting. It's really just, I guess, clean living. I am not transitioning to a completely raw food lifestyle, nor am I transitioning to a vegan lifestyle, but I think that it's time for me to get somewhat aggressive in achieving what it is that I want to achieve. I want to be fit. I want to be healthier than I am. I'm above what is the weight that I'm comfortable with. Like, I don't have a problem being big, but I'm above the weight that I'm comfortable with, and I'd actually like to challenge myself to see exactly what I can get my body to do. So what I'm actually undertaking is I'm attempting to lose approximately 80 something pounds in the next 7 months. That works out to be about 11 pounds per month for the next 7 months. Now, it might sound like nothing when you're like, oh, there's 30 days in a month and you just need to lose like 11 pounds per month. No, what that works out to be is like about 3 pounds per week, and with moderate exercise and diet, you'll comfortably lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. Let's remember that eventually you're going to get your period, you're going to have an exam. I'm not in a relationship, but heaven forbid I should get into one. You're going to have a fight, all of these types of things, and these things pull you away from your routine. I am notoriously bad at being anything near committed when I am traveling, and I will be traveling during that time. So it's going to be very, very challenging for me to actually achieve this. Why am I putting this on YouTube? Because I am hoping that by putting this on YouTube and having all of you become involved in this, that I will somehow create some type of accountability, if only because Uno is going to scream and holler at me and tell me to do it. So I have to work out. If you want to lose the weight, you got to work out almost every day. So I have to work out at least 5 days a week. I have to watch what I eat every single day. every week I will do at least 3 days of clean eating. Ideally what I want is that by the end of maybe a 2-month period I can get up to maybe like 5 days or a week of clean eating, or even more. But you know, I'm going back to school, and I know like how my money gonna stay and how my food gonna stay, and fruits and vegetables are not cheap. And while my daddy is a farmer here, I don't have the goods up there, and nobody is going to FedEx me all of the vegetables that I need. I is going to have to buy it off of my student budget. So you know, there will be challenges there. I'll put up a before picture of me here, and that was a before picture of me. Now, I'm not one of those people who is like, oh, I hate my body, it's terrible. I just, you know, I guess maybe if I got to that breaking point moment, it would be easier for me, because sometimes when you get to that breaking point where you're absolutely disgusted with your body, then it pushes you forward to do something to change your body. But I've always been very comfortable with my body. I've always been big. So it's not, I'm not coming from a place of utter and absolute frustration. I am coming from a place where I know that there are certain things that may become complications for me health-wise, and a place where I want to see what I'm capable of. I am frustrated with my inability to stick to something. If anything, I'm frustrated with myself in that regard. So I'm putting this up early-ish. I mean, it's early for me because, you know, my videos don't usually touch down till like 1 a.m. To invite anybody who might want to join me to do this. If you don't want to do 3 days, do 1 day. If you don't want to do 1 day, do half a day. Just for 2 meals out of the day, just eat fruits and vegetables and those types of things. To invite anybody who wants to do this with me, because it's an excellent way to detox, it's an excellent way to cleanse, but it's also just overall an excellent way to live. Now, I warn you, you will feel like you are dying for the first while. You will feel like you are dying, and the more foolishness that you eat now is the worse you will feel for the first part. You will get flu symptoms. Sometimes, depending on how unhealthy you are, boils will break out in your mouth. You will be snappy and crabby and disgusting and just given to anger and sadness as everything, and that's your body pushing all of the toxins out and having to grapple with that in your bloodstream. You will feel like you want to cut somebody. Me not tell no lie. It's not easy. I've done this before. But if you can, so me just kick what the dog pan, you know. If you can stick it out and you can commit to it, it will get easier and you will begin to reap the benefits of it. So that's what I'm doing as of tomorrow, which is September 3rd, Monday, September 3rd. That will be my first day, and I'm doing 3 days this week. If you can join me and you would like to join me, please do join the More Fitness group. I'm putting it down there. Over time, I'm going to phase out these videos from my Country from Long Time channel and put them on my Get Fit Bitch YouTube channel, and I will put the link somewhere on this page right now, so you can subscribe over there and start to look out for these videos coming out over there, especially because I'm going to be doing a lot of them, and you know, some people don't really want to watch me talk about being fit. It's all good. So look out for that. And otherwise, yeah, I mean, more of me warring with Shanti, and whichever person dares to try to get me fit, they will feel my wrath, but my appreciation and my love at the same time. All of the links to everything, More Fitness group, an interesting article on how to undertake this type of cleanse, blah 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 blah. I'm going to put under here, and I see that the thing is inching up on 9 minutes, and that's really too long for me to talking about being fit. So thank you for watching. Peace, love, and all of those things. And look here, I'm on Twitter at More Mayhem. If you not see me now do the thing, loud me, dirty me, and shame me, please. Thank you. Goodbye.